fella I want to tell you about. A fella by the name of Jeff Lebowski. At least that was the loving handle his parents gave him, but he never had much use for it himself. This Lebowski, he called himself the Dude. Now, Dude, that's the name no one would self-apply where I come from. But then again, there was a lot about the Dude that didn't make a whole lot of sense to me. And a lot about where he lived likewise. But then again, maybe that's why I found the place so darn interesting. They call Los Angeles the City of Angels. I didn't find it to be that exactly. Well, there's some nice folks there. Of course, can't say ever seen London. I ain't never been to France. I ain't never seen no Queen or damn undies, as a fella like to say. But after seeing Los Angeles and this here storm about to unfold, well, I seen that something every bit as stupefying as you see in those other places. And English too, so I can die with a smile on my face without feeling like the good Lord chipped me. This here storm about to unfold took place back in the early 90s, about the time of our conflict with Saddam and the Iraqis. I only mention it because sometimes there's a man, don't want to say hero, because what's a hero? Sometimes there's a man, and I'm talking about the Dude here. Sometimes there's a man, well, he's a man for his time and place. He fits right in there. And that's the Dude in Los Angeles. And even if he's a lazy man, and the Dude is most certainly that, very possibly the laziest man in all Los Angeles County, putting him high in the running for laziest worldwide. Sometimes there's a man, sometimes there's a man. Well, lost my train of thought here, but, oh hell, I done introduced him enough.